Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to Solve Technical Problems. Today we are going to discuss about the fan belts, that is the old fan belt. You can look the cracks inside the fan belt. The outside looks very nice. That is the part number of this fan belt, 7BK1475. The belt is installed on John Deere 6068 engine. That is the new belt we have purchased. That is the part number of the new fan belt. The number of the fan belt is 1473, which is actually 7PK1473. 7PK means the number of ridges in the belt and 1473 means its length in millimeters, which is almost 57 inches. Thanks for watching the video. That is the new belt, looks like a brand new, no cracks in it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like that.